Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need the product, a short feature list, and your AI toolset ready. Start by listing 3 things viewers care about: performance, price, durability. Once done, open your script generator and prompt for concise intro and 2 demo steps, then record a 30-60 second test take to check light and framing. Make sure audio is clear. Use a lavalier or quiet room. Finally, capture 1 clean B-roll pass of the product, rotating for editing reference. Now you move into the core work. Refine the AI-generated script with targeted prompts. Ask for a 90-120-second body, friendly tone, and a 1-line CTA. While recording, film consistent demo angles, close-ups, and a slow-motion 1/2 speed shot for emphasis. Once clips are ready, run them through an AI editor to auto-cut filler, stabilize, remove background noise, and generate subtitle drafts. Make sure transitions keep pace. Finish by polishing audio with EQ and a limiter, then color grade for consistent skin tones and product pop. Export at 4K or 1080p depending on platform. Once exported, craft an SEO-focused title and description, add 3-5 tags, and create a bright thumbnail showing the product in bold text. Upload with timestamps for key sections. If viewers report errors, re-edit and replace the file or pin a correction. Troubleshooting tip: if AI captions are wrong, upload a corrected subtitle file to avoid misinformation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.